What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva, crypto babe. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, if you're here for the first time, make sure you go check out this particular business opportunity, how to make daily pay online at www.thecopypastemethod.com. We're here just to do another update. It's Cyber Monday. I know it's winding down for today, but you can still get in and get my Cyber Monday promo. All right, we're going to talk about it real quick, and we're just going to do a quick update for you. So let's get into it. Let's talk about it. Let's go. Now we want to come back and do an update just to show you another proof payment that has come in, but it's even bigger than that. I'm super excited for the person that got started. Thank you so much for partnering with me, and most importantly, thank you, and I'm glad you're starting your online business. Okay, we had a few folks that have gotten started over the Black Friday weekend. Welcome everybody aboard, and everybody that has gotten started. I have this Black Friday, now it's Cyber Monday promo. It's going to be ending here shortly, but where I am actually paying for the website, okay, for the pro or the premium level. So $39 or $59 for the pro or premium level. So you got a little time still to get it in. All right, so we're talking about how to earn daily pay income with digital products, which is a $1 billion per day industry. Okay, this particular program is almost 3 years old. I've been in it since 2021. I am excited to basically crank this thing out. And what's been happening is I've been in it since 2021, but I recently discovered my 2-hour blueprint, 2-hour workday, where I have been able to condense what I was doing promoting this program and some other programs that I'm juggling, right? It's helped me quite a bit, and I want to share this with as many people as I can. All right, because people don't realize that with the steps and the proven system we have here with a 2-hour workday, guys, how you can be effective doing just a few simple strategies, right? So we give you daily action videos for you to learn from and make daily pay. All right, you can get access to the daily training, giving you strategies and mindset. That's the other thing. There's mindset training here on how you can earn $600 days, guys. $600 days. What if you could earn half of that? Think about that. $600 days, 600 a day for a whole year. That's 219,000. You may not be able to fathom that. So let's say if it was half of that, 100K, right? Or half of that, that's 50K. That could change a lot of people's lives. A lot of people are earning 50K going to work every day, right? So if they could work from home on their own terms, around their own schedule, do it when they want to do it, wouldn't that be great? Think about it. Something to think about. So you will learn the exact steps of what to do daily to master a minimum of $600 days working 2 hours a day, step by step. The mindset on how to attract customers to you instead of you chasing people. I'm not in people's DMs. I don't try to friend request people so that I can DM them. Any of that stuff. I don't go through my phone, bothering friends and family. Don't chase people at all. Okay. We also show you guys how to use Pinterest, how to build a faceless brand, because a lot of people may say, well, I don't want to show my face. Guess what? We can show you how to build a faceless brand, guys, step by step. We've got people from all over the world, different walks of life, different age groups. I've been showing you guys that in our community, and I'll show you some more results from other people, not just me saying what I'm doing, or showing what I'm doing, how about what everybody else is doing? Now we're at 6,000 members, okay, that's doing this. So we show you how to build social media, okay, how to build a social media following. You get free built done for you, an automated system, guys, where you're not going to have to pay for the marketing system at all. All you're going to pay for is your digital product. Whatever product, we've got 4. You pick one, and that's what you're going to pay for. So you're going to get a free marketing system. We've got live weekly mentoring calls to help you every day, every step of the way. Because think about it. When you're in a community, guys, this is what's going to keep you in the game. Because so many people join opportunities, they're by themselves, okay? With us, you're going to be in business for yourself, but not by yourself, because you're going to have a community behind you, supporting you. This is what's going to keep you in the game. Because if you're seeing people every day talk about what they're doing, how they're doing it, what their struggles are, and if you have the same ones, right, it's not just you, you have people you can fellowship with and communicate with, all right? And this will keep you going so you don't quit. That's why a lot of people quit. They feel like they're by themselves. Hey, I tried this didn't work, right? But when you have a community like what we have, a thriving community, you're able to come in here, even go to the classroom that we have, type in the search bar, find your answer to the question you're looking for, or jump on our live calls that we have, get your questions answered, okay? You will get your question answered one way or the other, all right? Not to mention, I'm here for one-on-one ongoing support. We've got our live weekly mentoring calls. So the value here is just amazing, okay? So you're not just buying a digital product and then just going off into the sunset. Oh, you're going to buy your digital product. I'm going to add you to our 6,000 member community that's thriving, that's here for support. You're going to watch a video every day, a short video. This is not long videos, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, okay, to tell you what to do for the day, to inspire you, to give you ideas of what you should be doing every day. That's it. Can you press play? Can you follow some simple instructions? Are you coachable? That's what you need, and dedicated to the process, because it works. The company is not on trial. I keep saying that, but it's true. It's not like, well, is this going to work? It's already been working since 2021. People are proving it. I'm proving it. Okay? When folks are coming out here making their commissions, they're getting paid, they're proving the steps are working. They're following the steps and they're getting the results. And you can do it too. But you gotta be able to be coachable, dedicated to the process, follow some simple instructions, right? And be consistent. All right, so, and much more. But that's the extent of it. That's why I decided to upgrade, because of the value that I'm able to bring to people that jump on board with me. Because, yes, people will say, oh, you already online. You already got years of experience. Well, guess what? That's why I love that this is newbie friendly. Because you're going to be able to use the same system, the same community, everything that I'm doing. And that way you can bring your folks along as well. Because I understand that. You realize, hey, I'm new. I don't have anything I can share or I can help people with. With this program and the community is what's going to help everybody. Everybody that you bring on board, you're going to be able to bring them into the community as well. All right, so it's beyond just buying your product. It's bigger than me. That's why I decided to go ahead and go all in myself, because of what value this brings. Okay, so let's go into the group. Let's take a look, and then I'll show you guys another proof payment. But that's what I'm excited about, not about another $300 commission. You know why? Because I've made them over and over and over. But what I'm excited to see is that I inspired someone to start their own digital business, and I can't wait to see them grow. okay, and be in this community and share their stories. That's what I'm excited about. Another person that's becoming a digital marketer, okay? All right, so let's take a look inside. All right, let's see some more results here. Let's shout some folks out. Made a sale on TikTok Live. Woohoo! Shout out to Karen. 300D. That's another one. While I was typing a Cyber Monday post. Wonderful way to start the new week. Shout out to Ann. All right. Let's see. First 3 sales while out partying. I'm so excited to share that I finally made my first $150 in total. I went out this weekend, and this morning something just told me to open my PayPal account, and bam, I got slapped by 3 payments. Awesome. Shout out to her. Then I made a post myself as well. Let's see. I did it. I made 24 videos. Someone said, see, they're putting they're doing the work, making the content. $5,500 in 48 hours. Okay, check this out. This is insane. I have never made money like this in even a month. So to be consistently making $600 a day at a minimum is just so unreal. Don't think for a second. Let's see what it says. Don't think for a second that this doesn't work. If you are questioning, that is you the issue, because the process freaking works. Stay consistent, show up and show out, keep going, my friends. All right, guys, so this thing is working. Okay, let me show you this real quick, and we'll move on. Inside the community, okay, we have a tab called Classroom. You can type in the search bar what you're looking for. Like you may say, how to post on Facebook, right? And it's going to bring up all the different videos or conversations or content regarding that topic you typed in under Classroom. Okay, then we have the calendar. I'm going to show you that in a second. Before we get to the calendar, over here though, this is what I love. This is what I'm talking about. Every day you're going to know what you should be doing. So this is where we are right now. We're in November. So we're on what, day 20? Well, they haven't posted. Yeah, day 27. Okay. So can you imagine, guys, you just go here and click whatever day we're on. And see, this is a 4-minute video giving you ideas and telling you what you should be working on for today. Can you do that? Press play and then go implement what's being shared with you to do. Be consistent. All right, and then the next day you click on the next video. So you just follow the days. So tomorrow to be the 28th. So we'll click on that one and see what it says, and we'll go out and create our 2-hour work day for this program. And just be consistent with what you're doing. All right. So it's a lot of good information here. Now this platform is typically a subscription for $47 a month. Okay, so you're gonna get access to it for free because you're gonna join me purchasing the digital products, and I'm gonna add you into the community, and then you'll be able to do the same for people that purchase from you the digital products. Okay, guys. So this is the value beyond getting your digital product. So we got 4 products to choose from, right? Go check them out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. You're going to get your products. The company is going to create your website. You don't have to create a website. They're going to create that. They're going to ask you for the payment method you want to receive your payments from. You're going to send that to them. They're going to create your website. Okay, 24 to 48 hours. While they're doing that, you could be over here checking out things over in the community, introducing yourself and coming on in, right? Checking things out over here and getting ready, because you get a free sales funnel as well. But there's a video to show you how to set all this up. It's not going to be difficult at all. We even have Tech Day. All right, so let's go up here. Let's look at our calendar real quick. Let me show you. All right, so today we had a special guest at 8 o'clock. We had a call, right? Mentoring Monday. Tomorrow we got our tech call at 8 o'clock. So see, let's say you happen to be someone that said, oh, I'm having some difficulty with my funnel. I'm not sure this is happening. I'm getting this error, etc. Guess what? We've got tech calls. See, there was a tech call here, a tech call here. So you're able to get answers to your questions, guys. This is powerful. This right here is what's going to keep you going, being a part of this community. All right? That's why I was excited about joining it, so that I can bring you aboard. All right? So you have support. Support is key to helping you stay in the game. Okay? Okay, so real quick, just want to show you some more results. As you can see right here, this came through today at 12:07 a.m. You understand the power of this? The system is set up, ready to receive customers. Okay, folks enter in their email, they get on my email list, they go watch the video that does the selling and telling and presenting, sifting and sorting. I never spoke to my new business partner at all. Okay, this person watched whatever they needed to watch, decided they were going to get in, signed up, paid the $300. Boom, I got paid while I was in the bed. Okay. All right, guys, so this is the power of what we have here. So if you guys are interested in learning, in learning and earning, okay, how to earn daily pay, where we actually show you, like they say here, we literally are going to share our screen. Okay, the training is going to share the screen and show you the exact step-by-step strategies on how to generate leads, free strategies, a daily routine. Okay, you're going to have a daily routine of what you need to do step by step. Live trainings, weekly, daily missions. I just showed you guys that, how you'll be able to go in the community, press play, find out, well, what should I be doing today? All right. Now, as far as the, we have a company Facebook group, as you can see, we use another platform, and we have the app for that. All right. So you're going to be plugged in. As soon as you make your payment, you're going to get an email from me. Of course, if it's in the middle of the night, I'm not going to email you. But first thing in the morning, I will be emailing you a welcome email with some pertinent information. You definitely want to open that up, because it's going to have the link to get you into the community, as well as information so that you could go ahead and get your website set up. Now, since I'm late putting this out, I'm still extending my Black Friday Cyber Monday promo. So for everybody that purchases the $600 premium product, the $59 I'm going to pay for the website. You're not going to have to pay that. Just pay your $600. You're good. For the Pro, which is $300, the six-figure blueprint, is $39 for your website. I'm going to pay for that. So it's only for the Pro and the Premium members only, if you purchase either one of those products. All right. So all you're going to need to do is reply back to my email, send me your Cash App, and I will send it right over. All right, guys. But of course, if it's in the middle of the night, I'll be asleep, but we will handle it first thing in the morning. All right. So definitely go check this out. It's worth you looking into. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right? Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.